What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I've been kind of busy, so I haven't really uploaded any lately. It's been about a week, and right now it's kind of cold outside. We are working from home right now, which makes it really nice being able to do this, from the comfort of your house. Pretty nice. And see, this is a good reason why when you get into this kind of business, be able to offer different materials. You guys know we make t-shirts, decals. We also make car magnets. So stick around and we'll show you around. We'll give you a few tips. I'm also gonna tell you where I get all the materials from. Yeah, we're gonna have a big order pretty soon coming up. We gotta make about 60 t-shirts for for a church. And then we have another order for another, I think is it a landscaping, Luis? What kind of business is it for?
Landscape.
Yeah, landscaping. So we're gonna have a busy week ahead of us. See, that's why it's always good to have the vinyl cutter, because like I said before, you can make so many products with that. If I went back in time and I was gonna start my business, this is the only thing I would get, the vinyl cutter, so I could make the stickers and the car magnets, and then I would get the heat press. We've had this heat press for like about 3 years. I love it because it's automatic, so if I'm not around, I can just leave the t-shirt, and what this thing does, it opens itself after the timing is out. Like, let's say like we have to give it like 15 seconds, we have to program it, and after the 15 seconds, like it opens up by itself. I don't have to be around it. So when I'm busy, that's pretty neat that I'm able to do that, but it's not cheap by any means. That one's like, I think we pay like close to 1700, so it's about as much as the vinyl cutter. And so if you're starting out, or you don't need to get all that equipment, you can just get the vinyl cutter, and then you'll be able to get into the decals, magnets, and a lot of stuff. We can also make little products. You can also do glass etching, which we don't really do anymore. We used to, but now that we are getting into the commercial business, now we don't have to work as much, because doing the glass etching is a pain in the ass. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about getting into this kind of business, believe me, it's really worth it. So you should go ahead and start saving your money and invest into the equipment, and you're gonna thank me later. A few years down the road, you'll be thanking yourself for having taken that step. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and help them, because if not, they're gonna get mad at me because I'm just standing around and filming. So I'm gonna use this one's a lot easier. What I do, I just take this ruler or the tape, and I just put a little mark right here. 12 is the mark. Then we do the same thing to the other side. And then we gotta use this right here. Another ruler. It's made out of iron or something, or whatever you call that, metal, like a metal ruler. And you need a nice blade. So if you guys are about to start your own business and are looking around to get some information, what I recommend, that once you buy all the equipment and then start trying out different materials or different products, what I would do, I would try to get into the commercial business as soon as possible. We had a slow winter. I'm pretty sure most businesses go through that. So we're finally getting busier. And the good thing about getting into commercial business is that you don't have to worry about bad weather because you get so busy at summer, and if you're smart and save your money, then you won't have to struggle at winter time. And that's what we learned. So what I recommend to you guys is that get into the commercial businesses as soon as possible. Once you get all this, once you get an idea of how this works, once you get better at doing the products and stuff, I recommend that you start looking for ways to get into how to sell to other business owners. That's the thing I highly recommend, that you guys start looking around and try to get into that. We take pictures and videos of the things that we make, the products that we offer or we sell, and we just post different Facebook groups, and that's how we make sales. That's how we get all the business owners. We know where they spend most of the time, and that's where we advertise, and for free. Okay, so it took us about an hour to finish all these right here. I'm talking about once we had the design, it took us about an hour to make them. So I would say like probably we're looking at about 2 hours to create the design and print and put the vinyl on the magnet. So about 2 hours. And yeah, so we got 3 of them. And the way we got this customer was through Facebook, like I mentioned before.
It could have been faster, but we had a little issue.
Yeah, it happens.
Letters came out, so
it happens. You know, you have to be ready for that because you're gonna face some challenges. It's not gonna go accordingly to plan, but you have to be ready for that.
So we're looking at 150, which is what I charge the customer. So the investment is probably not even $25, maybe.
Less than that. Probably, I think last time we checked, it was like around $6 to make. No, it was less than that.
It was like $2 for the magnet plus the vinyl.
So like
it's a 4-color design. It's not very many, but we have many, colors that sometimes like little pieces like this kind.
Sure. Yeah, we have like little scraps
and that we save them, so you make that something you wanna consider saving.
Yeah,
you never know when you're gonna use them.
So don't throw them away. Like for this one right here, we use like little yellow circle and square for Facebook logo. So we just had some pieces of vinyl laying around that we use for that. Like you said, it's save it and you're gonna use it in the future. So, and like I mentioned before, we've been kind of busy because we got other projects going on. We started a group on Facebook where we teach people how to make t-shirts, and I've been talking to some businesses. Like what I'm trying to do, not sell the equipment myself, but like put links on our page, and then people can go to their websites and get the equipment, the material.
I call that affiliate marketing.
Yeah, but that's the second reason we're doing this. But actually, the first one is that we want to teach people how to do this, and we know that there's a lot of people out there that want to be able to do this and work from home. It's so nice that you can do this. Like right now, we just finished with this, and we didn't have to leave the house. We just did it here at the house, so we didn't have to leave the comfort of our home. So that was pretty nice. And I know that there's a lot of people out there that want to be able to do this, so that's the reason we created that page. And then, if there's money coming too, which would be nice, but that's not the main focus of that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and leave us any comments that you have. Yep, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and give us a like too. And we'll see you guys until the next time. Thank you very much.
Don't work hard, work smart.
Yep.